forgiveness and acceptance have been a big part of my healing where without those things, without accepting that my father's time just came and he needed to pass on, or that same with my dog. We lived a long, beautiful life together. We just had the times of our lives. And I say she was the love of my life so far, fingers crossed. But just having acceptance for those loved ones I lost and the things in community and nature that we lost during Helene and just being able to have acceptance. I think that led me to be able to have forgiveness and feel a new sense of, I have a new life now. I've lost these loved ones and our life is different. Our nature is different here in Asheville now. And so I think just, acceptance and forgiveness have really gone a long way toward my healing.